Welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Riu in Falmouth, Jamaica. Is it worth your hard-earned vacation time? Let's break it down, starting right where you drop your bags. The rooms here are genuinely impressive. They have that fresh, modern Riu design with a spacious layout that gives you plenty of room to stretch out. The beds are incredibly comfortable, the air conditioning keeps things perfectly chilled, and the balcony is a great spot to start your morning. Housekeeping does a fantastic job keeping everything spotless, and the signature in-room liquor dispenser and fully stocked mini fridge are always a welcome touch. Once you step outside, the pool scene is massive. They have sprawling pools that cater to whatever vibe you're looking for. There's a high-energy entertainment pool where the party happens, complete with a lively swim-up bar that keeps the drinks pouring all afternoon. Just a heads up, remember to claim your lounger early in the morning because they do fill up fast. Just past the pools, you hit the beach, and it is stunning. The sand is soft, and the water is that picture-perfect, crystal-clear Caribbean blue. It's calm, warm, and absolutely ideal for swimming. If you need a break from the salt water, head over to the on-site water park. It's not just a kids zone, the slides are actually fast and a ton of fun for adults too. Now, let's talk about the food. I have to be completely honest with you guys, it is really bad. The main buffet is incredibly repetitive, and most of the dishes are bland or overcooked. Even the specialty restaurants completely miss the mark. But there is one saving grace, the sports bar. It's open 24/7, and they serve up genuinely decent, reliable comfort food. If you want a good bite, skip the fancy spots and stick to the sports bar. Overall, it's a beautiful property with a great vibe, as long as you know what to expect at dinner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
All night long, beating the drum, favorite song, favorite song.